cappuccino.
Hilda! Noodles.
Water. Bring me my drink. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. What is this?
This is Aitur.
Good stuff. What's that? Where's my ketchup? My ketchup! Oh. Open this for me. No. Just put it on my popcorn. Yes. Popcorn with ketchup. What's on? I'm dirty. You would give me a sponge bath.
Yes, sir.
No. Hurry, Watson. I'm not getting any cleaner here.
Yes, sir. Hurry.
Good morning there.
Oh, hello there.
Hello. What brings you here?
Well, not so long ago, Sir Charles of Baskerville died. And you must investigate.
Oh.
But before you do that, I must read you a story.
Uh-huh.
It happened long time ago. Once upon a time, there was a man called Hugo. Sir Hugo of Baskerville. He was evil, and blah, blah. And then he took a girl, and took her to a tower, and he was with his friend, and they were smoking, and the girl escaped, and she ran to the moor, and then Hugo went after her on his horse, and then they were running, and this farmer saw them, and there was Count following Henry Hugo, and Hugo ran, and he was his horse, and the hound was after him, and this girl was running outside, and then there was Welly, and the Hugo was dead, and the hound was over him, was biting him with candy or something, and this girl was dead also, and there was. Is it true? Is it over?
Is it very
Was it you?
No, it was Henry. Henry's shoe is missing. Please, you need to find Henry's shoe. His shoe is missing. He can't walk without his shoe. Henry is walkless. Please,
That's mysterious.
He doesn't.
We must go and investigate now.
I walk away now with only one shoe.
Hey! Watson, wait for me!
So, what kind of food do you like, Dr. No, Mr.
Hamburgers. Hey, wait!
Yes.
Is that Henry's shoe?
Not that.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
It looks like Henry's shoe.
This is my shoe, see? Fits very well.
Ah, I see.
Yes.
It makes you look very sexy.
I know.
But I'm sorry about this. But I need to search you for Henry's shoe. Okay? Okay. You're clear.
Yay.
Shoe away now.
So, juicy hamburgers or...
Very juicy.
Very juicy.
Ah, Henry likes very juicy.
Burger King.
Yes.
What did he do with for me?
He just hey. Henry doesn't have time for this poo. Henry only wants his shoe. So Henry asks, Can you handle this case?
My friend, I am Sherlock Holmes. Detective Sherlock Holmes.
Yes.
Watson,
Yes.
you must go with Henry to Baskerville Hall. I will investigate.
Yes.
Haha, you're Henry's bitch.
No, I'm not. Come on.
Henry likes his home.
Yes, this is a very nice home.
Watson,
Yes.
go fetch my shoes.
I will go for a walk to find shoes.
I'm gonna play Halo.
Oh, sorry for that. Mr.
Mr. Watson, how about you?
Oh, I'm Mr. Stapleton.
Uh-huh. What are you doing out here?
Well, I'm catching motherflies
Motherflies.
with my motherfly stick.
With your... Okay.
Yes, you see, I take this and I throw it at him. I'm
Throw it.
catching really big motherfly.
Impale them.
Yes.
That's cruel.
No,
Yes,
I
it is.
immediately.
Yes.
But I don't torture them by, catching them with something and then putting them in a jar and then, well, letting them die in there.
Okay, but which kind of motherflies?
Blue ones, and blue ones.
Uh-huh. Quite a variety of colors you have there,
I
man.
know.
Incredible. How about green ones?
Are you crazy?
Yes, a bit.
Are you stupid?
No. I'm even a doctor.
Do you want to go catch some butterflies with me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And we shall go.
Let's go.
I am really special cause there's only one of me. Look at my smile, I'm so damn happy other people are jealous of me. When I'm sad and lonely, I like to sing this song. It cheers me up and shows me that I won't be sad for long. Oh, 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 I'm so happy, I can barely breathe. Puppy dogs and sugar frogs and kittens, baby teeth. Watch out all you mothers, I'm happy, it's hardcore. Happy as a coupon for a $20 whore. I'm really happy, I'm sugar-coated me. Happy, good, anger, bad, that's my philosophy. I can't do this, man, I'm not happy. I'm really special cause there's only one of me. Look at my smile, I'm so damn happy that people are jealous of me. These are my love handles and this is my spout. But if you tip me over then mama said knock you out. I'm special, I'm happy, I'm gonna heave. Welcome to my happy world, now get your shit and leave. I am happy, I'm good, I'm out of here. Screw you.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah, fun.
Ah. Well, do you want to go with me to my home and spend an hour with my sister?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Lead the way.
This was a very long walk.
Ah, yes.
Yes.
Did you find Henry's shoe?
I will go for another walk.
I'm still gonna play Halo.